My name is Caterina Calsamiglia and I am a professor who will be teaching one of the courses in this master's. In this course, you will acquire a proper understanding of how economists think about and formalize individual decision-making problems to then see how different economic agents will interact in a marketplace and what kind of trades and prices will arise. We will start with very general and beautiful models that rely on very heavy informational assumptions, and then we will then slowly go into more specific markets and understand how all these assumptions need to be adjusted to understand the proper functioning of these markets. We will use theoretical insights and lots of empirical analysis to fine-tune and become engineers of very particular markets. We will also see a wide range of particular examples of such markets, and so the course will hopefully have lots of theory, lots of applications, and lots of data.